All right, you guys. So I am on the ship. This is probably day number 9, I think, of our sea days. We have a beautiful sunset out here, and I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I'll be at my first port here in a couple of days. And I thought what I would do is at the beginning of the video, I will put this little yellow resin duck that I made before I left. He's been kind of traveling along with us. And so if I put him up in the thumbnail, then you will know that it will have just a few quick vacation type updates. And we're getting super close, but yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. Oh, here's these great big, really nice big blue seats out here at the front of the ship. Super windy right now, but people do come out here a lot. Yep, this is quick, just a 1-minute little check-in, but I just wanted to let you know, watch for the yellow duck, and I will be checking again really soon. I'll see you. Hope you're all doing well. Love you.